everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. Just wanted to show you real quick some of the dried results. So this is the Dutch pour that I did with the collaboration with Pippi Paintings. Dried beautifully. The purple dried so dark and rich, it almost looks black, but it's you could still see that purple. But they came out really pretty. So I had those. Let me see what else I have to show you right now. Oh, this one I put a coat of resin on it, and it's so cute, so pretty. Look at it. Look at the shine. So I love this one. I resined this piece round, and I'll link these videos in the description for you. This one came out beautiful. Look at the gold, how it shimmers. So I love that one. What else do I have to show? Oh boy, I have this one. This is the purple swipe. I haven't resined it yet though. What else? I have so many. This little piece, I don't even know if I did a video on that, but it's just gold. Came out cute. I want to resin that. Let me see. I have this that I didn't video, but I will show. Oh gosh, but I'll show you. And this piece that everybody really liked, I still have it, and I have not resin this or put a top clear coat on it. There's some sparkle throughout it, but this piece is really beautiful, gorgeous. So this one I need to get covered, and this is an alcohol ink that I did on a cradled wood panel. So it has like a smooth surface, so the alcohol inks will move. And this one came out really pretty, and I'm going to put a coat of resin on this, but I didn't film this one. So there's just a couple of my finished pieces. I want to show you one other thing. I'm going to make a video on it. Oh, here's another one. I still need to put a coat of resin on this baby. How cute is she? Looks like a little bird there. So I need to put a coat of resin on my heart. I have this one that I still need. I need to do resin. I need a day of just resin that I need to resin. Oh, this needs to be resined. Oh, I want to show you. I want to show you my Christmas ornaments. So these are my Christmas ornaments that I'm doing this year. They are alcohol inks. I have a bunch of them, but I'll show you a couple. So these are little stands that came with little tiny baby canvases. I never really used the stands. I just used little canvases for ornaments. So actually they made a great little drawing rack. So here's my ornament. I take it off because it's dry. And they still need to be, I'm going to spray them. That's all I do with those. But you put the alcohol inks all over, you blow it around. They come out really pretty. People really like them. Here's another one. And I leave some clear spots to let the light show through. So these are really pretty. I will have a video coming soon, and I will show you how I do them. Oh, and here's the little canvases too. Oh, I'm doing these. I'll show you my Christmassy things. So these are the little canvases that I did alcohol inks again. And then I just put on a little hook, finish the back with a piece of paper, and you're good to go. What else? I also do some resin ornaments. I haven't gotten into those yet. I did these just little hand painted ones. Still need to finish them. They're just on little pieces of wood. So I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to continue to do those, but I had a bunch of them from last year. All right, so that's about it. But I will see you. We're going to do a pour. I'm going to do a little swipe with a yellow base. Okay, be right back. All right, I'm back, and I have my colors here. I have, well, here's my base color. I know it looks really bright, doesn't it? I mixed it with, this is Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow, and I mixed it with some Iridescent Medium by Artist Loft. Right here, put some of that in there, and added a little white to tone it down. So it should be good. All right, and the colors I'm going to use today are Phthalo Green by Artist Loft, Master's Touch Emerald Green. I have some Folk Art Pearl Yellow. This is Arteza and Folk Art Color Shift mixed. I'm going to use that. I have Pebeo Blue Iridescent, some Candy Apple Green Yellow, yay, my favorite. A little bit of Emerald Flat Folk Art Extreme Sheen, oops, and a little gold. And I'm going to swipe with my American floetrol and Amsterdam white. Okay, all right. So I put down my paint. I'm just going to pop the air bubbles. Do I see something in my paint? I think I do. Hold on. What is that? I think that's just a little iridescent medium that didn't get mixed in. That's all right. I'm going to swipe it anyway. So. All right. So let's start putting down the colors. I'm going to use the Phthalo Green first. How do I want to do it? I think I'm going to do it like this. Oh, how do I want to do it? Okay. A little of the emerald. And then a little of the Color Shift Yellow, which you're not going to really see all that much, but if I just put in a little bit, it'll just give it a shine. Little of the Pebeo Iridescent, bluish, a little bit more blue. Candy Apple, it's one of my faves. Then this is the Emerald, Folk Art Extreme Sheen. And then of course my gold. All right, and I have my cell activator. I want to put it down here. Get my swiping tool. All right, and I'm going to go swipe. just gonna drag, get a little interest in here. I'm not a yellow, I usually do not use yellow at all in my paintings, so, but I just had, my inspiration was I sold a little piece in a gallery that I'm in. It was similar to this one, but bigger. So I wanted to do the swipe with the yellow because I was like, oh, I really liked, I haven't done one of these in a while. So, but let me know what you think. I think this looks pretty. Yeah. Very pretty. Like I said, I'm not really into the yellows, but I might fix that area there. But let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And have a great day, and I will see you soon. Oh, and if you want to go check out my channel, my new channel is a soaping channel. I make cold process soap, and here was the first video I made. It's a landscape soap. It smells so good. But it looks really cool. It didn't come out exactly the way I wanted. I almost dropped it in the painting. But it was my first time doing a landscape soap, but I have other soaps over there. I have 3 videos so far, so go check that out if you haven't already. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.